disagree, protest, agree, blank. By word meaning: A. refuse, B. pretext, C. recommend, D. refute. Q.3. A frabjous number is defined as a three-digit number with all digits odd, and no two adjacent digits being the same. For example, 137 is a frabjous number, while 133 is not. How many such frabjous numbers exist? A. 125, B. 720, C. 60, D. 80. Q.4. Which one among the following statements must be true about the mean and the median of the scores of all candidates appearing for GATE 2023? A. The median is at least as large as the mean. B. The mean is at least as large as the median. C. At most half the candidates have a score that is larger than the median. D. At most half the candidates have a score that is larger than the mean. Q.5. In the given diagram, ovals are marked at different heights h of a hill. Which one of the following options P, Q, R, and S depicts the top view of the hill? A. P, B, Q, C, R, D, S. Q.6 Q10 carry 2 marks each. Q.6. Residency is a famous housing complex with many well-established individuals among its residents. A recent survey conducted among the residents of the complex revealed that all of those residents who are well established in their respective fields happen to be academicians. The survey also revealed that most of these academicians are authors of some best-selling books. Based only on the information provided above, which one of the following statements can be logically inferred with certainty? A. Some residents of the complex who are well established in their fields are also authors of some best-selling books. B. All academicians residing in the complex are well established in their fields. C. Some authors of best-selling books are residents of the complex who are well established in their fields. D. Some academicians residing in the complex are well established in their fields. Q.7. Ankita has to climb 5 stairs starting at the ground, while respecting the following rules. 1. At any stage, Ankita can move either 1 or 2 stairs up. 2. At any stage, Ankita cannot move to a lower step. Let Fn denote the number of possible ways in which Ankita can reach the north stair. For example, F1 equals 1, F2 equals 2, F3 equals 3. The value of F5 is blank. A. 8, B. 7, C. 6, D. 5. Q.8. The information contained in DNA is used to synthesize proteins that are necessary for the functioning of life. DNA is composed of 4 nucleotides: adenine A, thymine T, cytosine C, and guanine G. The information contained in DNA can then be thought of as a sequence of these 4 nucleotides, A, T, C, and G. DNA has coding and non-coding regions. Coding regions, where the sequence of these nucleotides are read in groups of 3 to produce individual amino acids, constitute only about 2% of human DNA. For example, the triplet of nucleotides CCG codes for the amino acid glycine, while the triplet GGA codes for the amino acid proline. Multiple amino acids are then assembled to form a protein. Based only on the information provided above, which of the following statements can be logically inferred with certainty? I. The majority of human DNA has no role in the synthesis of proteins. E. The function of about 98% of human DNA is not understood. A. Only I. B. Only E. C. Both I and E. D. Neither I nor E. Q.9. Which one of the given figures P, Q, R and S represents the graph of the following function? Fx equals x plus 2 minus x minus 1. A. P. B. Q, C, R, D, S. Q.10. An opaque cylinder, shown below, is suspended in the path of a parallel beam of light, such that its shadow is cast on a screen oriented perpendicular to the direction of the light beam. The cylinder can be reoriented in any direction within the light beam. Under these conditions, which one of the shadows P, Q, R, and S is not possible? A, P, B, Q, C, R, D, S. Chemistry, P compulsory. XLP, Q11 Q19 carry 1 mark each. Q.11. Which one among the following mixtures gives a buffer solution in water? A. CH3COOH plus CH3 CuNa. B. CH3COOH plus NaCl. C. No plus NaCl. D. No plus CH3 CuNa. Q.12. What is the major product formed in the given reaction? A, B, C, D. Q.13. The correct order of stability of the given metal oxides is A. LiO2 greater than NaO2 greater than KO2 greater than RbO2. B. LiO2 less than NaO2 less than KO2 less than RbO2. C. LiO2 less than NaO2 greater than KO2 greater than RbO2. D. LiO2 greater than NaO2 less than KO2 less than RbO2. Q.14. Which of the following is correct when two single complementary strands of DNA come together to form a double helix at a given temperature? Increment S and increment H are changes in entropy and enthalpy of the process, respectively. A. Increment S greater than 0. B. Increment S less than 0. C. Increment H greater than 0. D. Increment H less than 0. Q.15. Suitable reagents to bring about the conversion of P to Q in good yield is R. A, B, C, D. Q.16. Choose the correct trends of the first ionization energies among the following. Given atomic numbers C, 6, N, 7, O, 8, F, 9, C, 14, P, 15, S, 16, Cl, 17. A. C less than N greater than O less than F. B. C less than P greater than S less than Cl. C. C less than N less than O less than F. D. C less than P less than S less than Cl. Q.17. The depression of freezing point. Consider two different paths in which the volume of an ideal gas doubles isothermally. I. Reversible expansion, work done equals Rev. E. Irreversible expansion, with the external pressure equal to the final pressure of the gas, work done equals Wrev. Here, Rev Wrev equals blank. A. 2 lane 2. B. 12 lane 2. C. 12 lane 12. D. 2 lane 12. Q.21. A mixture of 4 peptides, pKkrk, rGERV, rYrGV and LVVYP, is loaded onto an ion exchange column at pH equals 7.2. If carboxymethyl (CM) cellulose is used as the stationary phase of this column, then which peptide elutes first? A. pKkrk, B. rGERV, C. rYrGV, D. LVVYP. Q.22. Match the coordination complexes given in column I with the most appropriate properties in column 2. Given atomic numbers of Mn 25, company 27, Ni 28. Column I. Coordination complexes. Column 2. Properties. E. Mn H2O 6 2 plus 1. 5.92 Bohr magneton Bm. F. COF 6 3. 2. CFSE equals 0.4 delta O. G. Nickel 4 2. 3. Metal ion hybridization is sp3. H. Ni Cn 4 2. 4. Diamagnetic. A. E1, F2, G. Compounds P and Q undergo E2 elimination with reaction rate constants of K1 and K2, respectively, as shown below. Which are the correct options? A. K1 greater than K2. B. K2 greater than K1. C. Most stable conformer of P gives the product. D. Most stable conformer of Q gives the product. Q.24. According to hard-soft acid-base HSAB principle, the correct options for the solubility trend in water are A. AgF greater than AgCl greater than AgBr greater than Ag. B. Liber greater than Lical greater than Lif. C. AgF less than AgCl less than AgBr and X gives alcohol P as the major product for the reaction shown below. Suitable options for X's are A, B, C, D. Q.26. The number of radial nodes for the valence orbital of U3 ion is blank in integer. Given atomic number of U is 92. Q.27. E equals 1.10 volts for the following cell reaction. For this reaction, the equilibrium constant is Y times 1037 at 298 K. The value of Y is blank, rounded off to 2 decimal places. Given F equals 96,485 cmol 1, R equals 8.3